Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through on how to make an easy Instant Pot vegan black bean and sweet potato dish. Here's my Instant Pot. Here's some black beans I soaked overnight, followed by all the ingredients that I used in the dish. A detailed list of all of these items can be found in the description. To start, I sauteed my sweet potatoes, my onions, and my garlic in my Instant Pot using no oil. I then added all of my herbs and spices. And when it started to stick, I just added a little water and some broth. Following, I added my dry black beans and made sure it was coated well with all of the seasonings. I added a can of 5 roasted tomatoes and also some coconut milk, low sodium and low fat coconut milk, and stirred it up as well. Added some low sodium vegetable broth, stirred it up. I put the lid on it, set the pressure on high, and set my timer for about 22 minutes. After it was done cooking, I took the lid off and I used a hand mixer to make the, I added a little lime juice to the mix as well. Then I used my hand mixer to thicken it up to make it a little bit more creamier. And there you have it. An easy black bean and sweet potato dish using an Instant Pot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share with others. Bye. See you in the next video.